He's here. I'll just move it up. Hello. Oh, hi. Wait, the toilet's right this way.
Alright. So what seems to be the big idea?
Okay, so, yeah, the toilet's kind of clogged. I kind of shot it and it made a big explosion and come up the toilet.
Alright, let me just...
I think I shot it a bad way too. I don't know.
Let's see here. Let's take a closer look.
Okay.
Come over here.
Okay.
See that?
Yeah.
See that?
Yeah.
Alright, okay.
Okay,
Yeah, I see the problem here. Your toilet seems about 100 years old. Can you tell me why?
I don't know. This house has been passed down for centuries.
Okay, well, let's... Wait a minute.
Oh yeah, I think that's the battery I shot.
Is that it? Yep, that's it. Yep, that's it. Alright. Alright. Well, is there any other problems here?
No.
Okay. So, is there any other problems here?
No.
Let's look around at your phone just in case.
Wait, no, nothing else.
Oh. Another loose pipe. I already know the other problem to your toilet situation. Fixed.
Oh, thanks, I guess. Now you're gonna leave? That's all I really
Go follow me.
need. Okay.
It seems like everything else is according to amazing. And I guess I'll be off now. If you want my card, you can have it for the business. Anything else?
Okay, no.
All right. Well, you have a pleasant day. Bye.
You too.